In this video, I'll explain how you can collect email addresses with Mailchimp for free. Mailchimp allows you to grow your audience by creating sign-up forms that people can use to subscribe to your email list. You can share your sign-up form through a direct link, add it to your website, or use it wherever you want to encourage visitors to join your email list. You can also collect important subscriber information, such as their name, email address, and other details, depending on what you need. The best part is that you can start building your audience without paying up front, as Mailchimp offers tools for collecting contacts on its free plan, subject to the plan's current limits. Once people subscribe, their information is added to your Mailchimp audience, where you can organize contacts and use them for your email marketing campaigns. Just make sure you're collecting contacts with proper permission and following applicable email marketing regulations. If you want to learn how to create sign-up forms and collect contacts step by step, check out our channel for detailed Mailchimp tutorials. And that's how you can collect emails with Mailchimp for free.